Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, Rachel Reviews. Today, we have a FabFitFun unboxing and it is the spring FabFitFun unboxing, so that means spring is almost here. It's March. It's like the very beginning of March as I'm filming this. And there's still snow on the ground where I am. So, I mean, it's coming, spring. Like it was almost 50 degrees yesterday, and then this week it's supposed to be in like the, I think, low 40s maybe, which where I am, that's warm. So for this time of year. But it is the spring FabFitFun unboxing. Look at their pretty box design, this edit. Spring edit box, whatever they call it. It's so pretty, and I just wanted to wear like a pretty pink shirt. And this one I got from Stitch Fix. I got it from the Shop Your Looks edit, and it's pink clover, and it's just like so pretty. I think it's like the Nicole textured pullover or something like that, and I want it in all the colors because it's like, it's pretty lightweight and it's really soft and I really like it. Anyway, FabFitFun, I'm going to put a description down below about FabFitFun. It's a quarterly subscription. I think if you do pay for the whole year all at once, it's $180 for 4 boxes. You can add things to your box sometimes too, which I did this time, and I already took those out of the box because I wanted to try them. And the first item is this Wisteria Blue perfume by Nest, and it smells really good, and it's a pretty bottle. It's very florally. A little bit goes a long way. It's like a true perfume, and it goes a long way, and it smells really good. These next ones that I added on are not good. The color is pretty when you do it on your hand, and I'll show you. Like, it's a nice, you know, kind of matte finish. But when you go to do it on your eyelid, you have to really, really pack it on, and it pulls at your eyelid, and it is not good. The other color, I got it in 2 colors too, so I kind of wasted my money. It's kind of just like a nude color. And it goes on really easily on your hand because your hand skin is like pretty tough. I'm gonna wipe it off. But yeah. I don't know what I'm going to be doing with that because it does not feel good on your eyelid. Okay, so let's get right into it. We have the box, and it comes always, I'm going to try to angle it here. Here we go. It always comes with like a bunch of coupons and things. It came with some stickers this time, which adorable. It has my invoice for my add-ons. The add-on of that perfume, it was I think $19 for that perfume, and it's originally like 70 something, so that's pretty sweet. FabFitFun, $15 off. Oh yeah, I'm gonna put my referral code down below, and if you want to try FabFitFun, I think you get $15 towards your first box, I believe. Yeah, I think if you buy the boxes individually, I think they're $50. The first box you get, I think, is $39.99 maybe. I don't know, check the description down below. But if you want to try it, I really liked it. It's, you know, $180 for 4 boxes if you do it for the year. $50, you get 8 items, and they're always really good quality from what I found. So they always send you a little magazine with it. So, blah, 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 blah. Yeah, it's pretty neat. And then in the magazine, it has all the choices for what you picked. So we'll go through it. Okay, so the first thing, so you can pick out if you are a annual, seasonal, annual, I can't remember the difference. If you're the member that signs up for the whole year, you get to pick 5 things from your box, and then they pick the last 3 things to send. So the first thing I picked with my friend Mari is this beautiful, beautiful duffel bag. Look how cute that is. Let's get it all the way undone. So cute. Has this strap, little strappy strap. There's all kinds of pink. Oh my god, it's so cute. Look at that little keychainy thing. So this is the Allison Olivia daisy print duffel bag. Let's see. What is, I'm trying to go in order from like what I picked. It is Tote Your Essentials in this adorable duffel bag. And they value this Allison Olivia brand at $150 for this duffel bag. Okay. Good for you guys, you know, price your items high, man. If you can get away with it, that's great. Good for you. I don't know. But it's super duper cute. Nice strap. I don't have just like an overnight duffel bag, so that's why I picked this. It's not huge by any means, but if you're just going overnight somewhere, you know, little carry-on, whatever, who goes places anymore? Not me. Super cute. Let's look at the inside. Get the paper off. I'm sweating. All right. Okay, so the inside's just black, and then it does have a zipper compartment here, so that's pretty nice. I'm very pleased with that. If I ever go somewhere again, I'll be very stylish. So there's the first item, valued at $150, good for them. The next item I picked is the Steel Mill and Company To-Do Planning Bundle. Keep track of your to-do list and appointments in this stylish notebook, and it's valued at $45. And it is right here. Look how cute that is. It comes with a couple like dual-sided highlighters, blue and pink, and then green and orange. Super cute. Should we open it up? Okay, let's open it up. It's open. So it also came with this sticker sheet, which adorable. I don't know why you need stickers. I'm not really a big sticker person, but I mean, they're cute. Let's see. So, oh, okay. That is really cool. Okay, so it doesn't have like any dates on it. You write the date in yourself. So you could use this like if you only, you know, plan certain things, which, you know, who's like, well, I guess a lot of people actually do plan things for every day, but not me. It's go to work, come home, make dinner, go to bed. So that's really cool. So this could last you a really long time because it's like, it doesn't end. There's no actual dates. So that's really neat. I really like it. And then let's just draw. Today I am grateful for, that's really cool. It has to do, morning, afternoon, evening, top priorities. There's a section for today you're grateful for. It has a section for like how many glasses of water you drink, I think. So let's see. Oh, the markers write really nice. Today I am grateful for my subscribers. You guys, thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. So that's really cool. I didn't know that it didn't have like actual dates in it. So I like that. I'm gonna put this over here somewhere. I need more desks. I know I just like, this is resting on that basket I spray painted that I showed in my last Stitch Fix video. If you wanna, which side is it on? This side? If you wanna watch that, I'll put a link up there. All right, so then the next one, oh, I skipped one, is the Joy Dravecki Chloe ring. Bling out your hand with this adjustable hexagon-shaped ring, which fits ring sizes 6 through 8. Valued at $75. Let's find it. I found it. I dropped it. I broke it. No, just kidding, I didn't. So here is the ring. And it is just glorious. It's adjustable, so you can kind of squeeze it. And let's see. Can I squeeze it? Yeah, I can. Look at that. That's beautiful. So that was the third item I could pick. And I really like it. I think it goes really good with my other jewels. So beautiful. Who doesn't like a ring? Should I wear it on that finger? Yeah, I think I should. I like it. Not much to say about it except it's really pretty. I like it. That's all that matters. All right, number 4 is the Ahava Refreshing Facial Cleansing Gel, which is right here, which I have had products from them before. And they're really good and they feel really nice. I've had their hand lotion before, and also for like, they do edits, it's called, like shopping edits for FabFitFun, and you can add other things, but they ship separately. And I got one of those like micro facial cleanser things. It's like a brush and you like, it does that. So I'm like, well, I might as well pick some, you know, cleansing gel to go with it. So that's what I got for that one. This gentle soapless gel works as a deep daily cleanser, ideal for removing makeup and impurities. We need that. Good stuff. Number 5. Sorry, that was loud. Pure Cosmetics Iconic Glow Illuminating Face and Body Dry Oil, $28. I have a pool at my new house, and I was like, I want to look stunning. No, I really don't care. But this is like a dry body oil. Look how beautiful. Oh, so let's open it. And it has this like little pump. So that's how it gets into the dropper, which is like super cool. We'll drop some on there. Oh, just a little bit. Just a little bit will do ya. Oh, it feels really nice. I don't know if you can see that sheen. Probably not. But it's really beautiful. It's really subtle. It has like little gold flecks in it, as you can see from the bottle. It's super subtle, and I'm really excited for like summer. You can put some on your shoulders, on your like décolletage. It's gonna be pretty. It smells really good too. It almost smells like a little bit like baby powder, but it smells really good. Let your inner light shine with this antioxidant-rich face and body dry oil that's specially formulated to capture the look of glistening skin. So you can look like you have glistening skin, but you really don't, which is ideal for me. I don't know what it is today. Okay, and next we get into the ones that they picked out. And let's see. I kind of unboxed a little bit. So I have the each jewels. For the 6th option, they could have sent you 3 different things. And they sent me the flower hair clip 2-pack. Wear these adorable hair clips for an effortlessly girly look. It doesn't have to be girly, FabFitFun. Other people can wear hair clips and it doesn't have to be girly. Just saying. $30. They are beautiful. Look at, they're kind of like mod. They're very 60s-ish, I think, in my opinion. Let's put one in. So they have the alligator clip. I'm bad at showing things close up, but you guys don't care, do you? Very 60s. That's kind of cute. That'd be cute for summer and spring. I'm gonna be, you know, I'm in my early 30s. Am I too old? I don't think so. Are you really too old for things? Some things, yeah, I guess. But like, that'd be so cute with like your hair up and you just pin a couple in there. That's really cute. I like them. Good choice, FabFitFun. So then the last 2 things, Pink Sky. That must be what's in this box because I didn't open it. Pink Sky Cactus Sipper Cup. Take your liquids to go with this reusable cactus-shaped cup, $20. Ready? Let's look at it. It's purple. Did we know? Oh, I guess there was a picture. I didn't even see it. Look! That is adorable. 21-ounce Cactus Cup. Oh my God, the water goes into the little arms too. I've been trying to drink more water. My husband and I are trying to get healthier, and I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Dishwasher safe. Oh my God. Oh my God. Is it weird that like I'm super excited about a cup? I have a cup obsession, I guess. And I try not to get, I can't get the top back on. I try not to get too many cups because like, where do you end up putting it? Wow, okay. One thing is the top is really hard to get back on. Maybe only if you're just me. That's adorable. I'm gonna drink some water through it for my next video. And then I'll be like, if you wanna see where this is from, click over there. I've already got it planned. I'm so excited about that. Does it stay up really easily? Yeah, I love it. Okay, the last thing is the SAIE Reusable Beauty Rounds. Ditch your makeup wipes for these reusable cotton rounds, $15. So, I don't really know. So how do you use these? Ditch your makeup wipes. So do you put on like your makeup remover and then you use this to wipe it off, I'm guessing? They're very soft. There's 3 of them. They're double-sided. I'm guessing that must be how you use them. Machine wash warm. Okay, so you can throw them in the washer. That's kind of neat. I could have gotten instead, there was only 2 options for the 8th item. Nail polish in Mayfair Lane. So I'm glad I got these because I usually do the Color Street for my nails. If you want to know what Color Street is, they're like nail polish strips, and I'll leave a video up there because I've done a video on how to apply them. So I'll put one up there too. So that's pretty cool. And that's my FabFitFun box this quarter. And I'm really excited. I wanna go fill up my water bottle like right now. I wanna write in my planner that I'm filming this video and another video today. And I wanna write in there when I'm going to post them. So I'm pretty excited. And what else do I wanna do? I want it to be summer so I can use my body oil. I wanna go somewhere so I can use my duffel. I wanna put those hair clips in. I wanna do everything. This was a good box. I liked everything that I got. I don't know why I keep holding these up, but I do. You guys, that was my FabFitFun box. What do you guys think? If, like I said, if you want to try FabFitFun, I'll leave a link down below and you can get some money off your first box. I would get credit too if you do that. But yeah, no pressure. It's just really fun. It's like a fun surprise every few months. So I really like it. I hope you guys like this video. Like I said, if you liked it, give it a thumbs up. And if you like these kind of unboxings and things, you can subscribe down below. And you guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.